What is your biggest regret? When my parents separated, my mom had to raise us on her own, and we struggled financially. Eventually, we had to rely on food stamps to get by. My mom was heartbroken. She was incredibly proud and working 2 jobs, but it wasn't enough, and it really hurt her to have to ask for help. It made her feel like a failure who couldn't take care of her own kids. I remember we were in the grocery store and getting ready to pay. She was going to use food stamps to pay, and she was so ashamed that she turned to me and said, "If you don't want to stand in line with me, you don't have to." She was trying to spare me the embarrassment, so I didn't stand with her. I went off and looked at a toy or something. I remember looking back at her. She was sheepishly fixing her hair and trying not to look poor as she worked up the courage to face the cashier. I have regretted walking away so many times over the years. I was just a kid, but I wish I could go back in time to stand next to her and tell her how proud I am to be her son, and how thankful I was for the sacrifices she made just to keep food on the table for